Let's go, man. It's Big CO BJ back at it again with another skin fade tutorial. I had to show this content, man. My boy Jesse is fully loaded with the ink work. My boy Mike had did his head. Really dope work. So I'm starting off with the lever fully closed, trying to get as skin as I can to make those tattoos pop. So lever fully closed, and then I'm going with my trimmers, and then I'm gonna go with my foil shavers to get it as close as I can. I'm just going over everything, staying consistent. Y'all see my products in the back. Have beard and skin oil, shampoo, conditioner, sponges, do-rags, brushes, all of those things. Stay tuned, man. Y'all see my artwork right there in the cut too, that I freehand. Like I said, follow me at bigceo.bj on Instagram. Y'all be able to check out my 5 companies. My clothing line, my photography, my barbering, my artwork, and my Frenchie breeding. Y'all stay tuned. He got the full neck done too by Mike. We're trying to expose his tattoos as much as possible. Yes, sir. Look how it's slowly coming together piece by piece. Watch. I'm just going over everything right now. See, look at that. Just getting all the extra hair out the way and stuff like that. Fading his beard. Smooth transition, just like that, as you see. Do his mustache. Got my foil shavers right there, getting it really close to the skin. How you see the tattoo pops even more now. I'm going lever fully open now, then I'm gonna go halfway. Got my one fully closed now. He did a one up top against the grain as well, you all, for the exact measurement. We're chopping up about everything. He was talking about that crazy shooting that happened not too long ago. Just clearing the canvas, getting all of the extra hair out the way. Just clean all my equipment as I go. I'm about to perform the facial. Went ahead and put my moisturizer mask on there. Making sure my hot towel is not too hot. Testing the temperature. About to apply it. Use the muscle massager. He did the premium service today. Now I'm cleaning his face with the sponge and the facial soap. Just removing everything now. Now I'm doing his eyebrows. Yes, sir. Razor action going on. Look at that transition. Look at the beard work too. Yes, sir, man. Y'all stay tuned for new content on the way. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at BJ's Cuts with 2 Z's. Look at that blue popping, man. Talking about his head, he like it smooth. Can't stop looking. Look at him. Crazy, crazy. Yes, sir, man. Y'all stay tuned for the new content. I got a lot of stuff dropping soon. I just got to catch back up on finishing the edits, and then I'm done. Just like that. About to apply the alcohol, then we're done. Yep, I wasn't gonna stop the video until y'all see, but I do not play by the alcohol. I'm being done with the video. I just had to show y'all. Just like that. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go.